Hello. In this lecture, you are going to learn about how to escape metacharacters. In the previous lecture, we discussed metacharacters, the characters with special meanings, and they perform specific function in regular expressions. And using most of them alone causes pattern error, or they produce unexpected results. But what if you want to match these metacharacters? If you want to match a question mark or a parenthesis or a period, because simply writing here like question mark, it will raise a pattern error. Or if you want to match a parenthesis, again a pattern error. Or if you want to match a forward slash in this URL, again a pattern error. So what is the solution? The solution is we use a backslash just before a metacharacter to escape it. Like here, this question mark is a pattern error, and we write a backslash just before it, and here this is a match. When we use a backslash just before a metacharacter, it makes a metacharacter just a literal character. Its special meaning vanishes, and now you can easily search and match any of metacharacters just like any other literal characters. Similarly, a parenthesis, no match, instead a pattern error. We want to escape this and we want to match an opening parenthesis with literal meaning. Now we use a backslash and it has a match and the error is gone. Why? Because we have escaped this metacharacter, and this metacharacter opening parenthesis has become a literal character. Similarly, backslash period, and it will match only the periods in your test string. And for escaping a forward slash, this is forward slash and a pattern error, using a backslash before it will escape the metacharacter behavior, and now it will match the forward slashes. Hence, the rule of escaping a metacharacter is using backslash just before that specific metacharacter. You can use this method with any of the 12 basic metacharacters. Now one more example with searching for a specific URL. Now this is our URL and we want to search for it. By writing this specific URL here, https://www.mysite.com/folder/page.html. Exactly the same string written here in Regex, and it has created a number of pattern errors, 1, 2, 3, 4, and these dots. Now if you want to match this URL, we have to remove the errors. By examining our regex, we come to know that our regex has two types of metacharacters: forward slash, forward slash, forward slash, forward slash. So 4 forward slashes, and period, period, and period, 3 periods, forward slash and period. We will have to escape these metacharacters one by one using a backslash before each metacharacter. So this is forward slash, a backslash here, another backslash. These 2 forward slashes are escaped. This period, backslash, this period, backslash, this forward slash, a backslash, backslash, and backslash. And there is a full match. You can see here full match. This is a full match. Why? Because we have removed the errors. How? We have put backslashes before every metacharacter. Hence, if you want to escape a meta character, simply put a backslash before it. Thank you.